I was just like,
Yo, hey, YouTube. I'm not vlogging you. I know. Okay, Tess, tell me when you start vlogging. No. It's not gonna be your vlog. I'm just videotaping. I'm not posting it anywhere. Oh, jeez!
Oh my God!
Thanks for giving me a heart attack!
so where's next on your channel?
Sorry.
Yo,
Oh my gosh.
Wait,
Ow.
what?
Yo, YouTube. I'm in here too.
Are they using the Ignite soundtrack to
Sub to me.
Oh my gosh.
ECA_unknown
Okay,
space YT.
I'm watching this.
sub to Easy A Unknown YT on YouTube.
Let's get a big-handed tri-state fireworks.
Woo! Fireworks!
I swear that stuff was like heat seeking missiles.
YouTube.
I don't know if you can see me.
YouTube cloud, by the way.
I don't think any of us can see us.
Wait, yo. Hey, point it to me, Oh, sub to me on YouTube. Easy underscore unknown space YT. Go sub to that. I'll be doing some more vlogs soon. See ya.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does now.
But yeah, later.
So yeah,
G-O-S-A-D-O-N.
it was good. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Hey, I'm
Why
in
did
here.
it strike me
See
in the
ya.
middle of the fireworks? I'm like, we'll never see-
Wow. We are just exploring right
No,
now.
I jumped once or
And sorry for my bad camera angle. We're just heading back. That was really good. So yeah.
Vlog?
Or hang on. See, look.
Hey, what's up?
What was that?
I don't even know.
So
Sub to me, by the way. I gotta get
Wow.
that YouTube clout, by the way.
hey, you should subscribe to Tessa.
No. You revealed her name, dude. Can you not reveal
Hello,
my
she
name?
has an Instagram that reveals her name.
Yeah, but don't reveal mine, okay? Please.
I probably said your name on my channel too many times, dude.
Whatever. I hope they don't listen. But yeah. Can I take over the vlog?
Why? Dude, okay, no. I don't think we'll be able to. No one can see. Ooh, but that moon, though. Look at that moon. Okay. See you later.
Definitely.
Okay. We're still walking. That was going to end it, but I decided to go more.
Yeah. Still walking.
Yep. So, that was quite good. I was expecting, like, ash to fall on us. There wasn't really any.
Yeah.
So,
Cause we're vlogging.
okay.
But yeah, this is one of her first vlogs. Yeah, she-
Actually, no, it's not.
Flashlight. I mean, but you'd have to stop the video. But never mind.
That's okay. This phone ain't that good quality, but that's okay.
Yours is at 1080p with 60 frames per second.
No, when it's face forwarding. So like towards my face. So honestly, it's probably good. I'm probably saving you guys though. Oh, thank you. So, that was really fun.
Okay, but yeah, her vlog. I'm gonna be taking over the vlog once we get in the car. So the rest of this vlog will be on my channel. Once we get into the car.
Oh, sorry guys, an itch. Ah, almost fell. Oh, jeez. Sorry, I was not paying attention.
What? Oh, frick.
Guys, I keep saying, what the heck? Like, what? Oh, look, guys, you can see me now. Hallelujah. Wow. Okay. I don't know if you saw them, but I was a little close. So, yeah. Sorry if I'm talking too much. I was talking to you guys and I almost freaking tripped. See what I'm saying? Okay.
Yeah, like people are like, okay.
Crazy people here. This place? Just okay. See you guys later. Hello there. Finally, back home and all that. It was fun. It was actually pretty cut short than last year, because like last year was ash falling everywhere, and so this year wasn't that much. So this vlog will be the first half of it. Let's go ahead and check out don't remember his channel. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at names and stuff like that, so whatever. I'll put his channel in the description down below. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and a like, subscribe to our channel, and if you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell. So see you next time. Bye.